Hello friends, in this video we are going to see shortcuts in MS PowerPoint with the help of control key and the alphabetical keys from A to Z. First we will see control A. So when you press a control and A simultaneously, it will select all the content or the objects which you have in your PowerPoint presentation. Now let's see what does that mean. So I have this object with me on my slide. I want to select both the objects. So I have to just press Ctrl A and all objects are selected. So in this way you can use a Ctrl A to select all the objects. Next one is the Ctrl+B. If you want to make a bold any text, then select that text, press Ctrl B. You can see the text is converted into a bold. Next one is, if you want to remove the bold, you can directly do it by the pressing Ctrl+B and it will be removed. Next one is the copy. If you want to copy any text, then just press Ctrl C. Now this copy will go with the paste. So at the same time you have to paste that thing over there just by pressing Ctrl+V. So whenever you use the copy, that is a Ctrl+C, you need to use a Ctrl+V also. Next one is the duplicate. Now here you can see, if I want to duplicate the shape, then I have to just press Ctrl D. So there is one more way, is to Ctrl C and Ctrl V. But whenever you want to same shape, same size, same format, then you can use the Ctrl D. Just select that object and press Ctrl+D. That is the duplicate. Next one is the center align. Now let's take one paragraph by using equal to rand and enter. Now you can see we have inserted paragraphs. Now what is our key? Center align. For that, Ctrl+E. So I will select the text which I want to put in center, then Ctrl E. It will be in the center format. Next one is the find. Now if you want to find any word or the uh, text in your document, then you have to press the Ctrl E, sorry, Ctrl F. Once you press that, you can get a dialog box like this. In this dialog box you can put anything, like if I want to search a redo, then I will find it and it will show me wherever the redo is present within my document. Like this you can search any word alphabet in your PowerPoint presentation. Next one is the group. Now here you can see I have a multiple objects. I want to make a group of them, so I have to select them like with the use of Ctrl A. I don't want this, I will delete it. First I will delete this portion. I will delete also this. So I want to make a group of these three triangles. So I will select Ctrl A and then press Ctrl G. Now here you can see all the three can be resized by using only one. So that is the use of Ctrl G. Now if you want to ungroup them, then Ctrl Shift and G. You can see they are individual components. Next one is the replace. If you press Ctrl+H, the small dialog box will open. Here whichever text you want to replace, that you have to write, and with which word you want to replace, that you have to write here. To more about replace find, there is a separate video on our channel, you can watch that. Next one is the italic. If you want to convert your text into italic, you have to press Ctrl I. If you want to uh, keep it as a normal, just Ctrl I again and it will come in the normal. Next one is the justify. If I want my text to be in the justify format, Ctrl+J and it will be in the justify format. Next one is the hyperlink. If you want to put a hyperlink to any text, just select that text and press Ctrl+K. This hyperlink dialog box will open. To know more about the hyperlink, there is a separate video on our channel. You can watch that. Next one is the left align. So whenever I am going to select it and press Ctrl L, it will shift to the left side. That is the use of Ctrl L. Next one is the insert new slide after the currently selected thumbnail. Now here you can see I have selected the second number slide. If I press a Ctrl M, the next slide will insert just after the second slide like this. So in this way you can insert a slide in between the two slides. Next one is the Control N. Now if you want to open a new presentation during the current presentation, then you have to just press Control N and the new presentation will be open. Next one is the Control O. If you press the Control O, it will open a dialog box. From here you can search your desired document and you can open it. So that is the use of Control O. Now if you want to print your document, then press Ctrl+P. It will show the print preview of your document. You have options here to select which printer, which type of color you want. Like this you have to select and take a print out of it. Next one is the Control Q. Now I have one presentation which I want to close, but without a mouse. So with a mouse you can directly go here and close it, but without mouse you have to press Control Q and it will be closed. Now the next one is the Control R, that is a right align. So I have this, I will select the paragraph here and I will press Control R. So they will go on the right hand side. Next one is the save. So if you want to save the document after completing the editing, you have to just press the Control S and it will be saved. Next one is the Control T. If you press Control and T, if you press the Ctrl and T, it will open the dialog box of font through which you can change the alignment, the fonts, the size, the underline, anything whichever you want to do regarding the text, and just click OK and it will be applied to that text. Next one is the underline. If you select your text and press Ctrl+U, then whichever text you have selected, it will get underlined with the same color. Now here you can see this much part is the black and this much part is the red, so according to that the underline is created. Next one is the paste. Now this paste you can use with the Control C, which we have already seen. If you select the text, press the Control C and then again you want to paste it, then Control V. Very simple. Next one is the close PPT. If you want to close the PPT, then we will select and Control W and it will close that PPT. Next one is the cut. If you want to cut, now this text I don't want, so I will press Control X and it will cut the text. Next one is the redo. If I want to redo the same thing which I have just done, so I will use Control Y and it will show the space which I have just removed is again inserted. Now if I want to undo that, I have to press Control Z and it will be again removed. So in this way you can use the different keys with a control key. With a control key you can use from A to Z as your shortcuts in MS PowerPoint, which helps you to create a PowerPoint presentation more efficiently and fast. Thank you.